Let's begin, Onur. Speak about the importance of parrots in our life.
Parrots
Speak louder, please.
Parrots are amazing birds that live in the rainforest, jungles, and even near farms. They are easy to recognize because of their bright colors.
Ay, so vivid.
Bright colors and name.
Code breaks.
Curd.
Curd.
Ha, o
Curd
şey
base,
dimdiğine danışırdı. Aha, yeah,
They
right.
usually eat fruits, seeds, and nuts.
You're right, well done.
Sonra parrots can repeat human words and like to sonra
And help.
Talk and
sonra bilmem. People admire parrots for their beauty and intelligence. Sonra that's why they are considered one of the most interesting birds
You
in
are
the
right.
world.
Well
So,
done. Parrots have
Parrots
strong
have strong wings,
Wings.
that
wings neydi?
wings kanatlar
Kanatlar, yes.
that help for remote distance and help find food.
You are right. Yes, you are right. Wonderful. Onur, do you like keeping a parrot at your home?
No,
Swimming.
I don't like parrots.
Keeping
Keeping
parrots?
parrots.
You are right. Why do people admire parrots?
Because their beauty and intelligence.
Yes, you are right. Where do parrots usually live? Ekrana bak.
Ne zaman?
Where do parrots usually live?
Parrots lived in rainforest, jungles, and even near farms.
Oh, so. Evet.